All right, so right now I want to print this hoodie that I'm wearing right now. I got a little situation right here. One day I accidentally slept while it's chewing the bubble gum, and I tried to wash it out, it didn't come out. So I want to print something to kind of cover it. I already have a DTF that I've printed the swoosh, thing for flow that I did when I was doing the flow t-shirts. So I got some extra DTF, so that's what I'm gonna put right here. And it's also the first press I'm gonna do with the brand new heat press. So I'm excited about that. The print that I'm gonna put on the hoodie is this one right here. I'm gonna put it right over here. This one. Forgive me for my head. It's warm, what can I say? And it's cold, so yeah. This is the heat press right over here. This right here is the heat press. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so this is how the print is looking like. This is how the hoodie is looking like. See right here, that's where the bubblegum print or mark was, and right now it's clean. The test for the heat press is done. It's working superb, and my hoodie is looking fresh right now. Today is just